kinda in danger, buddy. They went crazy. And of course, that's bad because, well, they want to kill you. Yeah, I know. Horrifying. But all you have to do is, like, use a flashlight to scare them off. We kinda also have a mask, but, one of them won't be fooled. Yes. If you're wondering who, well, the one who looks like an egg. Yeah. Pretty much, he'll, like, beat you up with, like, a gun. Yes. He literally would. Instead of just, like, shooting you, he'll literally beat you up with a gun. Surprising, isn't it? Yeah, I know. It is weird. Just try not to die, okay, buddy? Bye. Oh, hey, you survived. Good job, buddy. Although, I got some bad news for you. Like, there's like this guy with a crystal for your head. Yeah. Apparently, he'll crystallize you if he sees you. Well, if he ends up just going into, like, the office, you would pretty much get crystallized if he comes in. Just put on the mask. You would look like a cat to him, and yeah, pretty much all you have to do is just put that mask on, and he won't attack you. Yes. Well, by attack I mean just crystallized, I don't know. Anyways, good luck, pal. Alright, dude, seriously. You did survive, good job, but like, you have to like get out of there immediately. I just realized something. They, they are the lost ones. Yes. It's actually them. They gone crazy, and that's why they are, like, attacking you. They went insane. They were pretty much, like, kidnapped something, I don't know. Either way, you better get out of there before they come after you.
face плеч, дарено